This is Just in Case of American Newscape, joining our friend, book wrangler, Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Thank you. It's always nice to talk with you.
And it's nice to have you here, Sarah. So, that being said, what's happening at our libraries?
Well, we have wonderful events coming up. As usual, I've only been able to select a few to talk about, but I have highlighted a couple of programs that I want to tell you about. The first one is an early literacy workshop entitled Why Early Literacy. It's taking place at 6:30 on Thursday at our main library, and it's for parents of children ages, I would say, 5 and younger. Basically, it's aimed at your early readers and things that you can do, very simple things you can do to enhance your child's literacy and love of reading. And it's things just, making games and playing and singing and talking with them and doing word association. And, as I was reading the description, I thought, wow, according to this, all my pets should be literate at this point because I do all those things with them. So I think cats and dogs should read too. But this is geared for kids, 0 to 5, and just simple things that parents can do to help them become avid readers.
Well, and I believe cats and dogs should read. But, and that's a wonderful resource because it helps you what to pick and just the right settings and times. And I think that's a great resource. So, Sarah, what else do we have?
Well, coming up on Saturday at our Somerton Library, they are kicking off a program for short film lovers. They have a collection of short films. They will show one that's anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes long, and then participants will be able to discuss the film. So it's your chance to get together with other film enthusiasts. And I have to say, there's really an art to short film. You have to keep the storyline moving, and there's no side stories, you really have to stay focused. So I have developed an appreciation for the short film. So if you'd like to check that out, there's no charge to attend, and that's at our Somerton Library this Saturday at 11 o'clock.
Well, you say you have an appreciation. Do you enjoy these films?
I do. I wasn't sure that I was going to like them or not. Same with short stories. I thought, well, what's the point? I said, I'm not going to dive in and really get committed, but there really is an art to telling a succinct story and getting the same kind of reaction, sometimes even a stronger reaction than if you were to draw out the story.
Well, the shorts that I enjoyed as a child generally starred Bugs Bunny.
That's a great way to start. They got the point across in 7 minutes or less, right?
There you go.
Don't stand where the X is on the
ground. Okay, Wiley. All right. What else we got, Sarah?
Well, last but not least, our Foothills Library is hosting a special story time at noon on Saturday, and it is called Stories by Hand. And they are going to be not only reading a story, but signing with sign language as well. Over the years, there's been a lot of demand for sign language classes in the libraries, and we also have an adult component to this, the Silent Library, that will be teaching, I believe it's people 16 and older how to sign, but you can never start too early, right? We're back to that early literacy idea. So we'll be sharing stories by hand on Saturday at noon at the Foothills Library.
Well, thank you, Sarah. You know what everybody's learned today is you and I like to read to our pets. I don't know what that says about us, but we do like to read.
I don't know. I'm glad you came away with something.
Yeah, exactly. All right, everybody. This has been Just in Case and Sarah Wisdom bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, Sarah Wisdom.
Hi, and welcome to your Yuma Library Minute. Did you know that curbside pickup is available at all Yuma County libraries? You can place items on hold by using our online catalog or by calling your local library. When your items are ready, we'll notify you by text, letter, or email. Then visit your library during pickup hours. For more information, visit yumalibrary.org.